Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video I want to show you how to connect the F9 True Wireless earbuds to an iPhone 11. These right here, the one with the battery indicator, and it's a battery bank as well. So with an iPhone 11, it should work the same for an 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max as well. So let's get started. So out of the case itself, if they don't go into pairing mode, you'll go ahead and turn them both off. And after they're off, you'll go ahead and touch the touch control section here, the center part here. Hold it down until they both light up in blue like this and let it go quickly and wait for one of them to enter pairing mode. You'll see this one here will go into pairing mode, which is the blue-red blinking light. So just wait for that. There you go, that right there. That's the pairing mode. It means they're both sync, and then now the host earbud is in the pairing mode state. So go ahead and just rest them down or put them in your ears if you're ready for that. And then on your iPhone 11, you'll go into the main settings here, and then just go to where it says Bluetooth. All right, just go ahead into that. Just turn that on. Once you're in that section, go ahead and turn it on. It will start searching for nearby devices, and then you'll see other devices. You'll see F9. So once you see that, just tap on that one time, and then it'll run the connection process for you. And then it'll tell you that it's connected, and the earbuds should stop the pairing mode, blinking lights, and you should be pretty much good to go. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the guide. Just pay attention to the lights to see if they're not in pairing mode still. And once that's that, you're good to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, turn on notifications, and thanks for watching. See you.